to learn how to empty the Windows recycle bin automatically using UiPath Studio. In order to do this, firstly you have to open the UiPath Studio application and then click create new project and then click sequence and name it as recycle. Firstly, this is a three-step process. The first step is to add an activity called use application or browser. Double click on it. You can see this activity has been dragged into the workspace. Now you have to select recycle bin window manually. In order to do this, open recycle bin on your desktop. See, I am going to open recycle bin. Recycle bin has been opened. Now go back to your UiPath Studio. Now click indicate target on screen and choose this application. See, this recycle bin has been selected. Now click confirm. It goes back to the UiPath Studio. It basically asking to reuse or create new. Actually, I have been already done this project, so it is asking reuse the before component. Let us click on create new. Now in do, add an activity called click. It is the step 2. Add click activity. Now click on indicate target on screen and then click empty recycle bin. Now click confirm. Again click don't reuse. Now add another activity called click. Now go back to your recycle bin. Click on empty recycle bin. Keep it like this and go back to UiPath Studio. Now click on indicate target on screen. Now select yes icon. It's collecting target information. Now click on confirm. Okay. Now go back to the recycle bin. Please close this window, delete multiple items. Make sure that you open this recycle window. Now go back to UiPath Studio. Uh, in order to know that this activity has been completed, let us add a message box activity. Uh, Here you can give any text between inverted double quotes, like trash has been cleared. Now run this workflow. Basically click on this play button. Now the execution starts now. See, you can see the automation now. See it going to recycle bin and clicking on empty recycle bin and clicking yes, and the message box has been printed. Trash has been cleared. See, you can see on the background the data has been cleared. In this way you can empty a recycle bin using UiPath Studio automatically. I'll provide you the steps in the description. Go and watch. Please make sure you subscribe